Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to lesson 13, which is all about blues guitar. We're going to start off by checking out dominant seventh chords. I'm sure you've seen like E7 and A7, that kind of chord before. Very, very useful in blues, but also well used in other styles as well. So a handy thing to have in your arsenal. After we've looked at the chords, we're going to check out some shuffle strumming, which is this different kind of feel. Sometimes called swing, sometimes called shuffle. It's got a bit of a lilt to it, which is very, very cool. Again, not just a blues thing, but blues is a great vehicle for learning these kind of stuff. Now, after we've got the shuffle down and we've got the chords down, we're going to learn to play a blues in A, a blues in E, and a blues in G, using three different types of 12-bar blues chord sequences, the three main types that you're going to encounter when you learn blues songs. Of course, we're going to learn a whole heap of blues songs as well. And I'm going to show you how to do a blues shuffle, this little thing I was doing at the beginning. Very, very common blues trick, sounds great. A lot easier than it sounds, and you can use it in lots of different ways. It's something that you can really open up with later on when we start exploring a bit more blues in future modules. You'll find that you can do lots of different things with that to really expand on it, kind of improvise within the rhythm. We're also going to look at a set blues solo, which I've arranged for you. A nice, simple one to give you a bit of an idea of how you might use the minor pentatonic scale in a blues situation. And of course, we're going to talk about improvising, that is making up your own solos as well. It's going to be loads of fun. So let's get started.